Hello, Internet people. I'm Zach, and today I'm going to be talking about Madhat, that is to say, my efforts to add weighting functionality to Madhat, the model agnostic dark halo analysis tool. So, first of all, a good thing to cover is what exactly is Madhat? Well, as I kind of alluded to earlier, Madhat is short for Model Agnostic Dark Halo Analysis Tool. It's a computer program that processes data taken from Fermi Gamma Ray Space Telescope observations of dwarf galaxies or dwarf-like objects. And from this analysis can ultimately produce bounds on dark matter properties, such as the annihilation cross-section or the decay rate of our dark matter. So if we look over here at this graph, this is an example of something that Madhat can ultimately help to produce. Here we have the 95% confidence level bounds of sigma v, that is the annihilation cross-section multiplied by the magnitude of the relative velocity between dark matter particles to the 0th order, plotted against our dark matter particle masses. And it turns out the bulk of analysis to get to our results, to get to something like this, is actually model independent. We don't have to make any assumptions about the actual dark matter model until the very end of the calculation to get something like the bounds on sigma v naught or on decay rate. So in this case, eventually at the very end, we had to assume that internal Bremsstrahlung annihilation is the method by which our dark matter is producing gamma rays. And it turns out that this model independence is very nice. It allows Madhat to be very flexible. We can use a bunch of different dark matter models, including some of the more exotic variety. And we can do this much more easily than some programs with similar goals. And now, what I'm trying to do currently is to just add more functionality to Madhat. So specifically at the very moment, I'm trying to add galaxy weighting functionality to Madhat. So one weighting scheme in particular we've been looking at is weighting galaxies based upon the odds of a given photon received from a given galaxy to be from dark matter versus from some kind of background process. And if you weight in that manner, it turns out that per the literature, we should actually see a strengthening in our bounds. So up here we have some upper bounds. We should see those upper bounds be lowered, which is good. It means we're more certain about our dark matter properties in that case. Later, I would also like to add photon energy binning and weighting of those bins to Madhat. I would like to extend the photon energy range of Madhat with the help of upcoming mega electron volt telescopes. And finally, all of this could be considered preparation for eventually incorporating Madhat into this larger dark matter analysis package known as MadDM. So in summary, Madhat analyzes gamma ray data to produce bounds on dark matter properties. Weighting photons based on the regenerator galaxies can tighten these bounds, which is why I'm trying to add galaxy weighting functionality to Madhat at the moment. And photon energy weighting, energy range expansion, and MadDM inclusion are coming soon. Thank you everyone who clicked on this video. If you have any questions or like more information, feel free to contact me, and see you later.